Where's Africa? There, I'm getting tired.
I know, this is so fucking tiring.
Where the fuck is Africa?
Do you not know where Africa is, Ryan?
It's in Islam.
What did you just say? Did you? Ryan, is Africa in Islam?
Yeah.
What? No, it's not.
That's false. Islam is in Africa.
Why? Can I ask you why you're doing this?
Because it's the funnest thing I've ever done.
What?
Funnest. More fun.
Your pants are falling down.
Funnest isn't even a word,
I know.
and it's still the funnest thing I've ever done.
I have the weirdest friends in the entire world.
I'm so glad Megan found this sport. Guys, now I'm done.
Are you gonna do the backslide now?
Switching the backstroke.
Do backstroke.
Ryan, don't fall.
You gotta work the other muscles.
Ryan.